students, welcome on the platform of TechnoHeral Online. In this lecture, we are going to study two very important probability distributions, that is a Poisson distribution and normal distribution. Poisson distribution is basically an extension of binomial distribution in some special cases. So let us start this lecture. Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to start the next topic of probability distribution, that is the Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution हमने अभी तक Bernoulli distribution मतलब binomial distribution पढ़ रखा है. Poisson distribution is nothing but an extension of a special case of binomial distribution. Okay. So in case of Poisson distribution, like P is very small and N is very large. Okay. So in the cases where P is very small and N is very large, we can use the Poisson distribution. Fine. The formula for Poisson distribution माने कि the expression for Poisson distribution is given as P of x is equal to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by factorial x. This is the formula. This is all that you need to know about the Poisson distribution. Here lambda is equal to mean is equal to variance. Poisson distribution के केस में mean और variance दोनों lambda ही होता है, दोनों बराबर होते हैं. Fine. So this much only you need to know about Poisson distribution. This is equal to n into p. Okay. This is equal to n into p. What is p? P is the probability of success of any event. Okay, P is the probability of success of any event. Fine. So only this much you need to know about the Poisson distribution, and now you can solve any problem that may be or that are asked in Poisson distribution. Fine. और बहुत ही important है ये, this topic is very important for your semester examination also, as well as this topic is very important for GATE examination, because wherever the questions from probability are asked, Poisson distribution is always taken care of. Okay, Poisson distribution से हमेशा सवाल आते हैं, बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में आते हैं. फाइन. तो let us start with a very simple question based on Poisson distribution. इससे आसान सवाल आपको दूसरा नहीं मिलेगा Poisson. Poisson distribution पूरा ही बहुत आसान होता है, ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. Okay, so this question was asked in your AKU examination for I think 2 marks. Okay, this is objective question which was asked in your examination. Okay, so let us solve this. फॉर्मूला याद कर लिया, क्या है? e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x and divided by factorial x. So here in this question they have given that there is a random variable called x which is having Poisson distribution, and for this random variable 4 into probability at x is equal to 2 is equal to probability at x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 0. So simply you have put the value of x and you will get the value of variance. Variance माने क्या निकालना है आपको? लैम्डा निकालना है. ओके, लैम्डा which is equal to n into p. See what happens. So given here that 4 into p of x is equal to 2. So let me write the equation once more. Is equal to p of x is equal to 1. P of x is equal to 1 and plus P of x is equal to 0. अब फॉर्मूला आपकी आंखों के सामने है, just put the values and solve the equation. For x is equal to 2, what will be the expression? 4 into e to the power minus lambda into x के जगह पे 2 पुट करो, यानी कि लैम्डा का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा ये, डिवाइडेड बाई कितना? फैक्टोरियल x माने कि फैक्टोरियल 2. दिस इज दिस सिंपल. ओके, इज इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x is equal to 1. So put the value x is equal to 1 in the expression. So this will be e to the power minus lambda into what? Lambda to the power 1. x के जगह पे बस मैंने 1 पुट किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया है. फैक्टोरियल 1 and plus p of x is equal to 0. So put p of x is equal to 0. e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power 0 by factorial of 0. Look, something is common here. E to the power minus lambda is common everywhere. So e to the power minus lambda is cancelled out. Okay. See what happens. We will get, ये देखो factorial 2 कितना होता है, 2 होता है, तो ये 2 बार में cancel कर दो इसको. 2 lambda square will be equal to what? Lambda plus 1. Lambda to the power 0 is equal to 1. Factorial 0 is also 1. So lambda divided by factorial 1 is lambda only. So this will be equal to 2 lambda square minus lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of lambda. इसको minus 2 lambda plus lambda minus 1 लिख सकते हो. So take 2 as common. 2 lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Obviously lambda is not equal to minus half because of why? Lambda is equal to क्या होता है? n into p. n नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता और p भी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. n is the number of events, p is the probability. Probability can never be negative. So obviously lambda will not be equal to minus half, lambda will be equal to 1. So this is the answer for this question. Now let us see some more problems based on Poisson distribution. So let me write the problems first, then we will solve them together. Now let us see the next problem. I have written the problem here. This problem says that the probability that a person will suffer from a bad reaction is 0.001. Okay, what is the value of for what the value of 0.001 is given? The value of p here is given to be 0.001. माने कि किसी एक पर्सन के किसी एक बैड रिएक्शन से सफर करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी दी है इन्होंने? 0.001. ओके, नाउ 2000 इंडिविजुअल्स आर इंस्पेक्टेड. 2000 लोगों की आपने जांच की, तो वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं दैट क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि उनमें से एग्जैक्टली 3 लोग उस बीमारी से सफर करेंगे, उस बैड रिएक्शन से सफर करेंगे. एंड द सेकेंड बिट इज आस्किंग दैट more than 2 people will suffer from the bad reaction. So let us solve this problem one by one.